Hello, my name is Daehyum Kim and I'm a very naughty girl. I don't know why people say I'm naughty, and worse, my parents keep giving me strikes and punishments and keep grounding me. They always do that whenever I do stuff I like to do. I tell them to stop but they ground me, and I act like a tween in public. But why? No.
Mwahahahaha. School is going to dismiss very soon. Here's the Spanish and math homework for tonight. You are supposed to write down the verb conjugations for the past tense. Remember the personal pronouns.
Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes.
The math homework is about the Pythagorean theorem.
I can't wait to go home. Wait. I don't wanna do homework about math.
Too bad. If you don't do your math homework, then you'll get an F. Alright, school is dismissed. Have a good rest of your day.
How was school today?
I have a lot of math and Spanish homework.
That sucks.
May I just not do it? It's just 2 homework assignments.
What the? No, you are not going to just get an F. You are going to do your homework.
I am not going to do it because homework sucks eggs.
If you don't do your damn homework then you will be grounded. Do your homework right now.
Okay.
Good. I am going to watch Everybody Loves Raymond on TV. Don't bother me. Por favor.
I wanna do something very exciting. My Spanish and math homework is not fun, and it is very stupid. I know. I'll sneak out of the house at night, ride my bicycle to the school, and destroy the whole entire school. I don't have to turn in homework, and I can just stay at home and play video games. Mwahahahahahahaha. However, it's only 午後3時45分 and I am supposed to go to bed at 午後10時. I still have to eat dinner, take out the garbage, play Minecraft, etc. I'll sneak out of the house when my normal clone, mom, and grandmother lily cat fall asleep. It's after 午後9時30分. It's 午後11時35分. The reason why I didn't escape earlier is because my parents go to sleep later than me. My parents would be hard me and grounded me. My plan is working. Hehehehe. Now, I need to leave the house without making any noise, or make as little noise as possible. The coast is clear. I want to get caught. Nobody's in sight. Now I'll get my bicycle and go to the school. I have matches. I am outside of the school. Now I'll break one of the windows, and go into Mr. Nikam's S class. Then, I will set the classroom on fire, and the fire will spread to the whole school. No more homework. It's kinda weird that I am in a school all alone at night. I haven't experienced this before, or if I did then, I don't remember. I did a lot of bad things in my life, so I can't remember all of them. He. What I'll do is set Mr. Nico's desk on fire using a match. Then, I will throw a match at Mr. Nico's worksheets. I'll leave the other matches here. After that, I'll get out of the classroom via the window. Now, I need to get out of here right now or I'll burn. 2です。
I'll watch the morning news. I wanna see what things are happening today.
This is a Scratch News special report. My name is Michael Brook, and I have some breaking news. Last night, the Scratch Elementary and Middle School was caught on fire, and it was burnt down. The firefighters had tried their best to keep the building from completely burning down, but it didn't work. Fortunately, nobody died or got injured because no teachers, students, and staff were in the building at the time. Also, due to gas lines in the school, the chemicals in the science lab, etc. has caused the school to explode. The school is destroyed beyond recognition. The school has to be rebuilt. Also, the explosion was so loud and that windows shattered from nearby cars and houses. We have an unconfirmed report saying that the fire may be an arson. Somebody may have purposely set the school on fire. Now students can't get their educations.
Good morning, my normal clone. I am ready for school.
My dark clone. You don't have any school work today.
Yeah.
The news reporter said that they have an unconfirmed report saying that the fire was an arson. If the report is true, then I hope the arsonist will get arrested as soon as possible.
Okay, I am going upstairs. Bye my normal clone.
I haven't heard any more news about the school fire.
May I watch Unity? I want to watch an episode called Unfair Grounds.
Sure. It's a Cartoon Network show, right?
Yes. It has Unity, Pappy Corn, Dr. Fox, Crocodile, Lizard, etc.
That's nice. That was weird. Did I just hear a cop car siren? My dark clone. You are acting suspicious right now. What did you do?
Nothing.
Okay, if you aren't telling the truth, then you are so grounded. You need to state the facts. I am answering the door. My back hurts. I am 13 years old, and I am getting old.
This is the Scratch City Police Department. You are under arrest for burning down the Scratch Elementary and Middle School. You did this once already, and the school is unfixable. What a pathetic brat you are.
Wait for what? How did you know it was me?
Other businesses have security cameras, some on the outside facing the school.
I should VO, disguise.
You are going to jail, so let's go in the police car.
マイダーククローン、You destroyed your whole entire school. And now it has to be completely rebuilt. How dare you set your school on fire in the middle of the night? Also, you could have died in the
I didn't die though.
Like I said, you could have died. Are you freaking deaf? You are so grounded for 1.4678 兆4327億8965万2109 years. No playing on your phone, laptop, Nintendo Switch, desktop computer. No watching Family Guy, South Park, The Simpsons, DOB, S-Burgers, American Dad, or Unity.Instead, you will watch shows like Barney the Dinosaur, Sesame Street, Blue's Clues, Martha Speaks, etc. Also, you will not listen to music like Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift, Kelly Clark, Eminem or BTS.Instead, you will listen to your least favorite type of music, kids music like songs from the Boomers.
わははははははははははは。
Oh, stop with the screaming, actions have consequences. Deal with it. If you didn't set your school on fire, then you wouldn't go to jail. And screaming won't get what I want.